Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can insert your logo to a video in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already prepared a clip and I want to add a logo to this clip. So first, you just need to import the logo to the CapCut PC. Just click on import on the media and find your logo. For example, I want to add this logo right here. So click on the plus icon, put it on top of your video. Okay, I'm going to make it pop up in the center like this. And here I add a logo without the background because to make it more blending with the video. But if you have a background to your logo, you can just use the cutout feature to remove the background. And here I'm going to put it on top right corner of my clip. And if you want, you can also add animations to make the logo move. So here I'm going to maybe add the combo animation. Let's try one of the animation, I mean. Let's see. So it will become like that. So you can just choose which one to use to make your logo live. You can use the animation in CapCut. So I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!